Today I would like to take the fourth semester, that is the grammar part. It's very important to us. That is capitalization or anagrams. First we can start with that anagrams. Anagram is a word or phrase that can be rearranged in such a way that a new word or phrase is formed out of it. See that. Anagram is a word or phrase that can be rearranged in such a way the new word or phrase is called formed out of it. Examples: tools, Tools. It will become right the word, same letters, but the word will be changed. That stool, 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 like that. Listen, Listen, listen. That is called silent. It will come. The anagram is silent. Read, read. Dear, dear. Miles, miles, miles. Smile, smile. See that. That is called anagram. Anagram is a word or phrase that can be rearranged in such a way that a new word phrase is called. It is called formed out of it. See that. Idea, idea means idea. Lake, leak, 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 like that. Left, felt, felt, felt. Bomb, BALM, bomb. Lamb, lamb, like that. Some spellings mismatching spellings and pronunciations. Mismatching spellings and pronunciation. We have already learned spelling rules and patterns of different levels in the first 2 semesters. In this connection, we will learn how to difficulty arises with some words. The spellings of many words do not match the way they are pronounced. Look at the examples below. Column 1 given a word, column 2 shows the word is pronounced the same with the help of phonetics transcription. You will be noticed that pronunciation does not match the spelling exactly. Sometimes calendier, CHANDELIER, calendier. Entrepreneur, ENTREPRENUER. Induct, INDICT, induct. Rhythm, 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 like that. Okay. So sometimes the punctuation is also important in the grammar part. That is very important. Capitalization.
By paper. Me.
Yes, capitalization is very important in the grammar part. What is the capitalization? Capitals are generally used in the beginning of sentences, right? For example, Kirti is the best player of our team. K is a capital letter. We should write that. Okay? Okay? They are used to start sentences with the inverted commas. Sometimes we can make inverted commas for sentences. How it is? For example, Shakespeare says, comma. Now we can put the inverted comma to be or not to be. To be or not to be. Like that. We capitalize the names of the people and the capital letters to refer to persons, degrees or titles. Ajay, John, Irfan, Garmit. Sir Richard Handley was a great bowler. Nehru was called Chacha by the children. See that this is all. You can put the inverted commas or commas sometimes. Capital letters are used in the names of festivals, days, weeks, months and events. Do not capitalize the names of the seasons, spring, summer, winter. You don't put the commas like that seasons. Christmas fall on 25th December. On Mondays, we generally go to school. Himachal Pradesh is very cold in the December. See that. These are example of capitals. Capital letters are used to refer the names of the particular places, streets, roads, cities, states and countries. Adjectives derived from these are all capitals. Wall Street's Pusa Road. Bangalore, Karnataka, France. Kannada, French. Capital letters are used to name of clubs or organizations or business firms. Chelsea Football Club, the Chamber of Commerce, like that. Capital letters are used to exclamatory words. Hurry, we won the match. Oh, I forgot it. Wow, what a beautiful sight. These are like that. The person pronouns I is always written in the capital letters. I am the capital letters of my team. I will not give up until I succeed. See that these are like that. Correct use of capital letters in the following paragraph. Sometimes trees give shade of the benefit of other whilst they themselves in the sun and endure the society of scorching heat. They produce the fruit by which others profit. The character of a good man is like that of trees. What is the use of this perishable body if no use of it made for the benefit of mankind? Gold. The more it is born, the more it is bright does it shine. The men who are noble at heart do not lose these qualities even the losing their lives. In this paragraph, so many mistakes are there. You want to capitalize which is wherever necessary to use. First letter you should be put capital letter, trees, T is a capital letter. Then after that, second the is you can put the small letter, see that like that. Okay? You can see that lot of different fingers are there. Okay? Right. I would like to share some important conversation. Positive attitude to your life. Positive attitude to life. It is important to maintain a positive attitude towards life and its problems, to find out solutions and to lead a happy life. That is a positive attitude helps on lead a better and happy life is an established fact. And no one will be contest it. Yet when the faced with the problems and the stress, we tend to slide into the gloomy. Gloomy means Telugu version mabbuga, moody, mudskupoyinattuga mindset. So it is an important that we have to affirm to obvious, 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 important, and make it as point to cultivate the positive attitude. Read the following dialogues. See that. What is the positive attitude? You should be think always positive in the life. Without positive, you should be think negative. It is not success in your life. Definitely. So these positive attitude inside into the gloomy, moody mindset. See that gloomy, moody mindset. Okay, these are different. For example, Rokia. Hi, Hamid. Where you off to? Why you look rather tired and gloomy? What happened? Rather, Manasara in Telugu version. Hamid. Hi, Raki. It feels so nice to meet you, to meet a smiling face. I have been out all the day in this heat and feel quite tired. Rokia. But what happened? Why you are out on Monday afternoon? Do not you have to be in your office? See that. Hamid, I have lost my job, Rokia. They fired me last month. Seems they have to be cut down the number of employees to the economic reason. I have been economic recession means Arthika Manjam in Telugu version. I have been looking for a job. Maybe he's losing his job. Doesn't work. That's why he's losing his job. For weeks now, no seems to be hiring. I feel so depressed to be honest. Life has become such a burden. Rokia, oh, I'm so sorry to hear this, Hamid. But if you ask me, I think you should be see an opportunity in this. See that, Hamid. What do you mean? Yes, Rokia. See, I know you from your school days. I know how good writer you are. Okay? Remember all those shorts films people made during this your college days. I know you scripted all those, and I know for a fact that you still write and collective story ideas. To be honest, I was quite disappointed when I got to know that you have to choose a careers in computer programming instead of trying to your hand of script writing. Why don't you make an effort now? But am I good enough to take writing seriously? Rokia, come on, be confident about yourself. Have you believed that you have the ability to succeed? I am a film of believe, right? Yeah, I should be done with that. You should be think always like that in positive attitude. That's why. Rakia antunnadu, Rakia, come on, be confident about yourself. నీ అంతట నువ్వు నమ్మకం అనేది ఉండాలి. హ్యావ్ యూ బిలీవ్ దట్? నువ్వు నమ్మగలుగుతావునా? యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎబిలిటీ టు సక్సీడ్. I am believing the power of having positive attitude to life. Look at every situation in life as the best situation, right? You should think always best situation in your life. Thank you for your kind words. I will certainly think about this. Rokia, please do remember, never give in to permission. Never give in to permission. See that he is saying like that. Reading comprehension passage. Now we should be read that, and I will explain that what I am saying. The reading comprehension passage, architecture wonders of Telangana. Architecture's wonders of Telangana. తెలంగాణలో అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రదేశాలు అంటున్నాం. The Telangana is a home to many architectures. The Telangana is to many architectures marvelous of national importance. It owes a lot to the Chalukyas and Kautilyas for the development of the art and architectures in the region. It has movement such as the 1,000 Pillars Temple, Alampur temples, Ramappa temples, and many others, such as the 1,000 of pillars, Alampuru temples, Ramappa temples, and many others. Hyderabad, the capital of Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Has many moments of the reflect the culture and historical background of the city. They include the Charminar, Falaknama Palace, Golconda Fort. See that, children. Today we are discussing about the Telangana topic, that is architecture's wonders of Telangana. Architecture's wonders of Telangana means వాస్తు ప్రకారంగా అద్భుతమైన కట్టడాలు. తెలంగాణలో అద్భుతమైన కట్టడాలు. తెలంగాణ ఈజ్ అ హోమ్ టు మెనీ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్స్. చాలా ఉన్నాయి తెలంగాణలో, మార్వెలస్, అద్భుతంగా ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ నేషనల్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్, మరి జాతీయ గుర్తింపు పొందినటువంటి కూడా చాలా ఉన్నాయని కూడా తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. many moments that reflects the culture and historical background of the city. They include the Charminar, Falaknama Palace, Golconda Fort, Qutub Shahi tombs and the Buddha statue of the Hussain Sagar lakes. These moments speaks volumes about the different dynasties that had ruled over this region, their culture, heritage and incredible architectural knowledge they had. See that Falaknama Palace, Golconda Palace, and historical background of the city. They include the Charminar, Falaknama Palace, Golconda Fort. In the Hyderabad, we can see that lot of things. We can visit a lot of architectural wonders like Golconda Fort, Charminar, Hussain Sagar Lake. Also, there is boating. Is there? These movements speak volumes about the different dynasties. Dynasties means Rajavamshaval in Telugu version that had been ruled over this region and their culture heritage. See that. Like a Samskriti Sampradayal kuda nervecharu. And the incredible architectural knowledge they had. So much knowledge is there in Telangana people, but we are not identified, we are not recognized for them. The Charminar and Warangal Fort two of the best example of this. See that. So in the future, our children will be remember these two things. That is one Charminar, one is the Warangal Fort. The best examples of in Telangana. The Charminar consider be Hyderabad Taj Mahal was built by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. The fort at Warangal built during the time of Rudramadevi and Pratapudram. Who built the Charminar? Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah Sahib. The fort at the Warangal built during the time Rudramadevi and Prataparudra. These are also dynasties. Has many great views, square, basins, circlars, eathons, walls like that. It is an incomparable both of quality and beauty. We are fortunate to be the inheritances to these architectural riches. It is our duty to preserve. Yes, of course, we can preserve our things. We are fortunate to be the inheritances, these architectural wonders, riches. It is our duty to preserve and treasures, yes, Kudabetina, treasure. These while bringing them to the notice of the world. Yes, we can show the notice of the world, recognize of the world, right? It's very important. Maybe in the comparison passage, he will ask the questions like this. Name of the dynasties has helped art and architectures in Telangana region. Chalukyas and Kautilya's. These two dynasties. Name a few of the architectural movements, situation in Hyderabad. So many things are there, just we can take the important things. There is Charminar, Golconda Fort and lake also something. Who built the Charminar? Yes, Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Who built the Charminar? Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah. Yes, right. What does the architecture movements in Telangana testify? Region and culture, heritage. Yes, you should do that. You should know that region and heritage of that. This is the notice of the okay, to preserve the treasures this while bringing them to notice of the world, right? Narrative essays. This is also writing is very important. Just before we learn about the reading. Now we can read about the semester 4, that is writing essays, right? Writing essays. Narrative essays, it's very important. As the name of itself suggests, the main of the narrative essays to be narrative of or report an event. The arrangements is by the order in which the events occur. The narration must be carried to a natural conclusion which is satisfies of reader's curiosity. The essay may be narrate episodes from the history, legend, or someone's to biography, an event such as the election or basketball match. An incident such as microclouds, miracles, escape, or train accidents. See that these are the narratives we can write. Here are some important tips I will explain to you, children. Today, the articles done by you. Number 1, narrative writing may relate real life situations or imaginated one. This type of writing mostly use of the past tense, but sometimes also the present tense. Mention the settings or background, time and place. Background means time and place. This is usually provide at the beginning of the narration. For example, on blistering summer afternoon in a teeny village in Patiala. Decide and six to single point of view. The sequencing of events is usually does not in the order of the occurrence. In time, however, you could do sometimes beginning at the ending, the middle age of narrative for dramatic efforts. See that. You should be understand what I am saying. This narrative writing may be relative to real life situations, right? Real life situations, definitely. Real life situations. The action. The action or events of the narrative, ideally beginning, a middle, and a clear ending. This is particularly preferable when you are just beginning to write such essays. Decide on and stick a single point of view. The sequencing of events is usually done in the order of their occurrence in that time. See that. You are able to understand. However, you could sometimes beginning and at ending or in the middle of a narrative for the dramatic effect. See that. It's a very real, true, effective way of thinking style like this. And spoken communication, the spoken communication may be presented within your essay in either direct or indirect speech or a mixture of both. If the narrative includes dialogues, the words spoken by each person, includes the quotation marks, is treated as a separate paragraph. Do not forget to use a variety of sentences, types and vocabulary. vocabulary. To avoid motogun. One more thing, this is soft skills also very important. Negotiable skills, that is also very important in that. Negotiable is a cooperative process whereby people in the discussions are conflict, try to find solutions which meets in the legitimate interests of both sides. This is a highly valued skills at the workplace. Negotiable are planned to activities that involve several stages, and the number of people skills like any other skills, negotiation skills can be also learned. A good negotiation skills, how it is. Never too aggressive. In Telugu version, aggressive. What is meaning of aggressive? దాడి చేయడం అండ్ ట్రాక్ట్ఫుల్ స్పర్శించడము స్పర్శ జ్ఞానం అంటాం డీలింగ్ విత్ ద అదర్ పార్టీ హ్యాస్ గుడ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ able to forward her and his points effectively. Is a good listener. You should be right, good listener. You should development yourself is that good listener. Okay. Never too aggressive and tactful dealing with the other part. Right. Good communication skills and able to put forward his points effectively. It is good listener, is able to mold or his body language effectively to exude confidence and trust. Is flexible and pragmatic. 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 Pragmatic about the negotiable process. Is perceptive enough to understand the others what is need to be aspirations. Is able to convince the other party about her is reality. In the same thing, the value of education also is the home for the best but prepare for the worst. ఉత్తమ ఆశయ కోసం చిత్తం మరియు సిద్ధం. We have already talked about the importance of having positive attitude. Just before we discuss that, hope for the best but prepare for the worst. We have to already problem in that. We have to already talked about the importance of having positive attitude to life. But while beginning optimism about your future, you should be also be prepared for failures while striving for success. One should also have to one's backup plans in a place in case of the best efforts to do not bear fruit. It is possible to be aware of potential failures without beginning pessimistic, nirashavad, pessimistic. Being prepared for failures does not mean being lazy in the one's effort. While one should be put in the best efforts, one should also be ready to take the setbacks. This is also very important matter. Okay. Have you had experiences in your life failed to achieve something even after the working hard for it? How did you deal with this experience? Did you have any backup plans in the place? If not, how could you turn that failures into the opportunity to talk? Opportunity to talk. This is the activity. Image Imagining that you are a member of NGO working to promote women's self-help groups in your locality. You have to receive the information about fund allocated. Like that we can write.